Hey everybody, Jason with Fender Garage, and we're talking about radios today. So in your Bumpside 67 to 72. So you've got basically a single DIN application for traditional radios, or you can use the retro sound. All those work great. They look classic. It's cool. All the classic AC heater controls and everything work great. But some people want a little bit bigger screen, maybe the size of a double DIN. Maybe they want to be able to have like a Apple Maps show up and be able to have a little bit more custom features. So there's not a lot of room in these dashes, plus they're angled on a bump side. And so then what do you do? And how do you squeeze something in? So other versions are out there where you cut out a big piece of your dash, you take out your ashtray, you hack up the dash larger, and then you put in this thing and a spot for your AC controls. That's great, it works. I'm a tiny bit more of a purist in that regard. I don't want to hack up my dash that bad. So we came out with this double DIN bezel that allows you to take out just a minimal amount of stuff. It still fits between your ashtray and your glove box, and then you have this nice billet bezel. So it comes polished. You can get it in a machined. Maybe you want to paint it a color or do something like that and prime it and paint it. We also have it in a cerakoted black, so you can get this. So to install this, it's going to come with a template for you to put up there so you know where to cut out. It'll give you your center points where you have to drill a 7/16 hole, and that's to allow clearance for this here, okay, for the mounting locations, which will give you these mounting pieces right here to help mount it so you can actually attach the hardware. We are also going to give you a gasket so that you can set this behind, and when it goes up against your paint, you got a little tiny rubber gasket to protect your paint. So you're going to get that. You also get, in addition, you're going to get the little brackets that go right here that will help you install your double DIN stereo. So then you can attach through all of these little sections here, you can attach the hardware to mount it into your the side of your double DIN stereo. So pretty simple. It can be cut and installed pretty easily. I'd say about an hour you could have this all cut and installed. We've installed it, we've put a double DIN in it, it works great, it's in it, and it's a little tight obviously because we're squeezing it in there, and so we try to keep this as slim as we possibly could. But again, you can paint it to color match it, you can get a billet, you can get cerakote black, you can do whatever you want with it. But this is basically our way of saying keep it as simple as we can and leave it as original as we can, because once you cut something out too far, it's actually hard to go backwards. And most people aren't actually putting anything larger than a double DIN anyways. And so pretty cool product. It's available on our website. You'll see it in a machined finish, which is kind of just natural machined, polished, and black cerakote. Pretty easy product to install yourself. Looks great, gives you a little extra upgrade for your system. And then the question then becomes, well, what do I do with my AC controls? Because you're going to wipe out where the AC controls or heater controls were on your vehicle. So we actually are installing air conditioning in our trucks, and so we take those knobs and we will locate them further below into our AC valance. Our new AC valance we have out is really nice and clean. There's some cool little spots in there. You can put some knobs in, and those kind of stay tucked down out of the way, and it keeps your dash nice and clean. So a super easy solution. Hopefully, if you have any questions, this will help answer all of that stuff. Very easy to install, and a really cool product for those that are wanting a little bit larger radio in their truck. Please like, subscribe. We've got a lot more videos that are coming out. Stay tuned for those. And if you have any issues, you can always email tech@FatFenderGarage or support@FatFenderGarage, and there's somebody there that's going to help you with any additional help you might need. Go get one. If you want a larger radio, this is the way you're going to do it. We'll see you next time.